windy it is last night. You're hungry again, aren't you? You're always hungry. Thank you. He's on with Netflix. Look at your picture.
Yeah, Stranger Things.
Oh, really? Oh, well, I wasn't watching this. And look at my picture. That's not me.
Appa also complained.
Really?
Yeah, why did you change the pictures? I'm like, I did. This is Netflix trying to promote Stranger Things.
Look at Alpha. Look at her picture. And Adilbai. Adilbai's hair here is like really funny. We're going to get pandesal? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. We've been literally just sitting around all day and we're watching this Korean Money Heist. So yeah, and since we woke up late, we're just sitting. Now I really crave for really hot pandesal and some chai because we haven't had chai today, so I really wanted to have that. Just ignore my skin because I'm really going through this really bad breakout and I'm trying to find a solution for it. I'm about to say vet. Why would I go to a vet for skin problems? A dermatologist, and she gave me some medicine and some I think facial wash, that I can use, but it's not really working, and it's been I think it's been a year that I'm like experiencing this, and it just doesn't go out. It just doesn't go away, and it's really frustrating me because it's really bad, and I couldn't like go out like this, and it's just I'm frustrated. So just ignore it. Just don't focus on it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get ready now, and we're gonna grab some pandesal. It's 1 a.m. and we're out eating ice cream.
Jobless people.
I know. Morning, working straight out from bed, and I feel like outside is dusty, or I think it's just my window from outside. I'm just getting ready because my husband said he'll take me to Ukay. I've been wanting to go to Ukay for like a couple of days now, but we didn't get the time, so today is the only time. Ukay is thrift store, so that's what we call it in Tagalog. This is my favorite thrift shop. Let's go upstairs. We just finished thrifting and Amar went out to check the fishing spot, and now we are at the beach. You can see we're heading towards that area because we're going for fishing. It's a new place. It's a new spot that Amar found out for fishing, so we're gonna try it out. Always ready. Do you have my rod too?
Yeah, but you're gonna be using my rod.
Why?
Because I'm gonna use your rod for you.
Okay. So we have to go towards that area further. This is the spot. We're gonna prepare here. So we're done fishing and we didn't catch anything. There's no luck today.
Got a good moment.
Yeah, but that was good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got from the thrift shop. It's not a lot because I couldn't find like a lot of like good stuff this time.